Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically download and import LUTs into CapCut. So it's pretty simple. You just basically go to any website that you want and just search up like LUTs and whatever and just download that file. So if you go to adjustments and you go to LUT, they'll accept like the cube file and some other files, as you can see here. And I just downloaded this LUT, sorry, and I'm just going to select that, and then I will be just able to select this and drag it to the video. And this is what it looks like without the LUT, and this is what it looks like with the LUT. You can definitely adjust the strength here and also enable skin tone protection if you want to, and you can even add in some more stuff if you'd like to. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.